Hello, little learners. Welcome to Homeschool Channel. Learn with Omer. Let's learn and have fun.
Welcome, class, to the amazing world of ants.
Wow.
Look at that.
So cool.
What will they do now? All right, class, look at this incredible worker ant. Observe its anatomy.
Wow. So amazing.
You see? Ants live everywhere on Earth, except for the very coldest places, like Antarctica. 140 million years ago, when dinosaurs still ruled the Earth hull, these tiny insects began their conquest.
Wow. That's so long.
They've been here the whole time. 3 parts: head for thinking and sensing, thorax for moving, abdomen for living. 6 legs, 2 antennae, millions of sensory hairs. Look closely at these antennae, kids. They're chemical detectors, communication devices, navigation tools. An ant can smell with these better than you can see. These jaws don't open up and down like yours. They open sideways, like scissors. They can carry things 50 times their body weight. Exoskeleton, hard outside, soft inside. Protection and support.
Oh, I get it. Outside skeleton.
Exactly. The exoskeleton is the hard outer shell. Now, observe the incredible engineering marvel of the ant. It can lift 50 times its own body weight. Let's see if we can understand that kind of strength. The biomass of 20 quadrillion ants is more than all humans combined. They are Earth's true rulers.
20 quadrillion? That's impossible.
Underground cities with specialized rooms, ventilation systems, waste management. These architects never studied engineering.
Notice the incredible diversity in the ant colony. A huge queen, smaller workers, soldiers with big heads and winged males.
Wow.
Egg to larva to pupa to adult. Complete transformation. The baby looks nothing like the parent.
So the ant starts small?
Exactly. Who's drawing that metamorphosis carefully? A brain smaller than a pinhead, yet it navigates, remembers, learns, solves problems. Size doesn't determine intelligence.
Wow.
Incredible. The ant uses its sun compass, polarized light, step counting, and chemical trails to navigate. It's a multisensory navigator.
Wow. So cool.
One ant finds food. It doesn't eat alone. It marks a trail. Others follow. Soon hundreds arrive. Notice the trail reinforcement, kids. No individual planner, just pure, efficient, collective intelligence. Look closely at the screen. These ants are farmers. They grow their own food. They've been farming for 50 million years, before humans existed. Notice how they remove the mold so precisely.
Wow.
And look, they're selectively breeding.
That's amazing.
And these ants are ranchers. They keep aphids like we keep cows. They protect them, feed them, and milk them for sweet honeydew. Look at that sophisticated mutualism, Benson. Look at the extraordinary world of aphid ranchers. They collect honeydew droplets, keeping the aphids safe. The ants form living bridges with their bodies.
Wow.
We can solve problems through collective cooperation.
Look at my raft.
Yes, just like that. Notice the raid. They steal the pupae. Forced labor, the dark side of ant society.
Oh, wow. I can't believe it.
Ants show us the full range of social behavior. Cooperation and exploitation, farming and raiding, construction and destruction. No single ant is brave. No single ant is heroic. But together, unstoppable. This is collective courage.
Mounts. With over 12,000 species, ants truly are biodiversity powerhouses.
The ant is at the center of our ecosystem.
Ooh.
Watch as it connects to being a soil engineer, a seed disperser, and more.
I'll draw it too.
The most numerous land animal, 200 quadrillion individuals, strongest relative to size, 50 times body weight. And finally, most cooperative, collective intelligence without central command.
Wow.
Look at that list, kids.
So many.
For a long time, we thought ants were simple insects.
Wow.
But the truth is, ants have sophisticated brains capable of complex things like navigation.
They aren't simple.
While many think the queen rules, there's no central commander. It's all decentralized decision-making.
Wow. So cool.
These creatures appeared 140 million years ago. They have brains smaller than pinheads, yet navigate using sun and stars. 140 million years ago, when dinosaurs still thundered, hundreds of tiny eyes working together. Not high resolution, but excellent motion detection and wide field of view. They don't hear with ears. They feel vibrations through their feet and body hairs. The ground itself becomes their eardrum. Earthquakes, detected by ants.
Whoa.
Place your hands on the desk. Now imagine them detecting tremors hours before we do. Absolutely remarkable.
It's like magic.
These creatures appeared 140 million years ago. They have brains smaller than pinheads, yet navigate using sun and stars. Welcome, class. Today, we dive into the mysterious, magical world of the octopus. Prepare to be amazed.
Octopuses! Look how amazing they are! Wow! Look at their arms! So many tentacles!
And you can draw them too.
See here, the Pacific holds the most, then the Atlantic, and over to the Indian Ocean. Don't forget the Mediterranean and these freezing Antarctic waters. From the shallowest tide pool you can paddle into the deepest, darkest ocean floor can, octopuses live there. Every depth, every temperature, every ocean. This rounded part is called the mantle. It contains almost all of the octopus's organs.
1, 2, 3,
4,
5,
6, 7.
8.
Look at that pupil. Not round like yours, not vertical like a cat's. A W shape. Blue. Unlike any other animal on Earth. You have one heart. This animal has 3.
3?
And guess what? Octopuses have blue blood thanks to hemocyanin,
Whoa!
which makes them super efficient in cold water. Now, who wants to try a glass?
Me!
Changes color and texture in 0.3 seconds. Faster than that snap.
Try it!
Whoa. Nice job, everyone. Look at this. An octopus perfectly matching the coral. And it's completely colorblind. Scientists don't understand it.
How?
8 arms, each one the length of a tall adult human, all spreading outward from one central body.
Wow! So big! Look at...
One of the most beautiful animals in the ocean. And one of the most dangerous. Enough venom in an animal the size of this golf ball to kill 26 adults. This octopus does something no other animal on Earth does. Watch what happens when a predator approaches.
Whoa! Cool!
Look at that. The mimic octopus transforms into 3 completely different venomous animals, and chooses the right one for each predator.
Wow! No way!
Look at Mr. Thomas! And this is the deepest living octopus on Earth. It lives where no sunlight has ever reached.
Wow! Look at those ears!
What? 7,000 meters. Deeper than Mount Everest is tall.
Whoa!
In complete crushing darkness. Feel the depth. Watch what it is carrying.
Oh!
Carrying a tool, planning to use it later.
Wow! Look at that! So smart!
The coconut octopus, the only invertebrate ever observed to collect tools for future use.
Observe.
Wow.
He plans ahead.
Exactly. Each arm can think and act completely independently. Who can do this?
I can't do this!
Look at her drawing it. That's amazing. The predator is faster. The octopus cannot outswim it. It has 3 seconds to escape. The predator is blind, its smell is gone, and it's confused.
In cloud, go!
A predator has grabbed its arm. The octopus cannot pull free. It has one option left. The octopus break Owen. The octopus voluntarily detaches its own arm, which wriggles and distracts the predator. With 3, the water blasts through its body like a rocket. Ready?
Rocket! Whoa!
Yeah, like that.
I'm drawing the path!
Exactly, you're all rocket scientists. Raises hundreds of skin bumps individually, matching any texture in 1 second.
Amazing!
Wow.
Look at that!
Incredible. Now watch this comparison. A crab inside a sealed glass jar. The octopus can see it. Can it get the crab out?
Can it smell it?
Good question. And that's how it's done.
Oh!
We understand.
I'm drawing the steps.
Look at you go. So smart, all of you. Okay, here's our friend the octopus. It's exploring the maze. See that wrong turn? Good observation, class.
Oh, I see it!
And now, no food inside. No reward. No training. The scientist is just floating an object in. Watch what the octopus does. And just like that, it's playing, enjoying itself.
Whoosh!
Now you try.
Whoosh! It's coming back! I can't believe it's playing.
She laid up to 400,000 eggs, and she will not leave them. Not once.
400,000?
Oh my goodness! Scientists believe she uses her final energy to help the eggs hatch. This is one of the most selfless acts in nature. 2 rows per arm. 8 arms. Each sucker working independently. Each sucker can taste, smell, and grip at the same time. Taste the desk.
Whoa, I can taste the desk.
Can I see a notebook too?
You can taste...
Scientists believe the octopus invests every unit of energy into those 400,000 eggs rather than into its own survival. And here is the proof. Watch the octopus escape its tank. It crosses the dry floor, eats the fish, and returns before morning.
No way! He's doing it!
Bam! bam, triumphant.
Can fit through any hole larger than its beak, Hawk, the only hard part of its body.
This small.
A 4-meter octopus.
Through this.
Birds. A healthy reef has octopuses, and a sick reef does not.
What?
This incredible octopus controls the whole food web.
Records board, second half.
Whoa!
Only invertebrate tool user, coconut octopus. Only one known to play, common octopus. The end Ordovician, the late Devonian, the Permian, which killed 96% of marine species.
Thanks for learning with Omer. Please like and subscribe. Click the button below.